does amiable mean? A friendly guide to this positive trait. Imagine meeting someone for the first time, and within minutes, you feel completely at ease in their presence. Their warm smile, friendly demeanor, and genuine interest in your conversation instantly put you at comfort. This person embodies the quality we're exploring today. Amiable. Word type. Amiable is an adjective. Meaning, amiable describes someone who's friendly, pleasant, and easy to like. It goes beyond mere politeness, suggesting a natural warmth and approachability that makes others feel comfortable and welcome in their presence. An amiable person is often characterized by their good-natured disposition and ability to get along well with others. Word history. The term amiable has its roots in late Latin, derived from amicabilis, meaning friendly. It entered the English language in the 15th century through Middle French, where it took the form amiable. Understanding its etymology helps us connect it to related words like amicable and amity, all sharing the concept of friendliness and goodwill. Antonyms. To better grasp the essence of amiable, consider its opposites: unfriendly, hostile, disagreeable, and surly. These words paint a picture of someone who is the antithesis of an amiable person, highlighting the positive connotations of our focus word. Synonyms. Expanding our vocabulary, we can use words like affable, cordial, genial, good-natured, and congenial as alternatives to amiable. Each of these synonyms carries a slightly different shade of meaning, allowing for more precise expression in various contexts. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use amiable in different situations. The amiable tour guide made our vacation memorable with her cheerful attitude and helpful nature. Despite the tense negotiations, both parties maintained an amiable atmosphere, which contributed to a successful outcome. Her amiable personality made her a natural fit for the customer service role, where she excelled in building positive relationships with clients. The professor's amiable demeanor encouraged students to participate actively in class discussions without fear of judgment. Common errors in use. When using amiable, be cautious not to confuse it with amicable. While both words relate to friendliness, amicable is typically used to describe relationships or interactions rather than personal qualities. For instance, we reached an amicable agreement is correct, but saying he is an amicable person would be incorrect. Use amiable instead. Additionally, avoid overusing amiable in formal writing. While it's a positive attribute, relying too heavily on it might make your language seem repetitive or lacking in sophistication. Instead, consider using some of the synonyms we discussed earlier to add variety to your expression. In your IELTS speaking and writing tasks, incorporating amiable can demonstrate a nuanced vocabulary. You might describe a positive interaction with an amiable stranger during your travels, or discuss the importance of amiable international relations in fostering global cooperation. By accurately using this word, you showcase your ability to express subtle aspects of personality and social dynamics, a key factor in achieving a high band score.